Namaskar. Welcome to Channel Enviro Annotations. I'm Sanjay Mishra with the third week headlines of 2021. On 19th January 2021, the Vice President of India, Sri M. Venkaiah Naidu, called for making organic agriculture a mass movement, not only for a wealthy nation but also for a healthy nation, while inaugurating the National Dialogue on Indian Agriculture towards 2030, Pathways for Enhancing Farmers' Income, Nutritional Security and Sustainable Food Systems. The Vice President expressed the need to incorporate all dimensions of sustainability such as the economic, the social and the ecological factors into agricultural policymaking and planning. First sewage treatment plant in northeast India starts functioning in Manipur. With a project cost of rupees 345 crore, Imphal Sewerage Project Phase 1 has a generating capacity of 27 million litres per day and is designed to cover core areas of Imphal through its primary and secondary lines. North Delhi Municipal Corporation and Indian Oil Corporation Limited signed a memorandum of understanding for the development of integrated waste to energy facilities at NDMC's landfill site at Rani Khera in Narela, New Delhi. Niti Aayog brings India Innovation Index 2020 report. Unlike the Global Innovation Index 2020, the Indian version does not give a separate environmental performance index. However, in terms of the expenditure on science, technology and environment, Arunachal leads with the best case, followed by Manipur and Mizoram. CPCB has recently added 3 non-industrial operations into the classification of industry list. Building and construction projects having a built-up area up to 20,000 square meter, which is not covered under the purview of EI notification 2006, and domestic waste water generation of 50 kiloliter per day or more has been placed under the orange category at serial number 88 of the list. Construction and demolition waste processing plants and gold assaying and hallmark centers are also categorized under orange category and placed at serial number 89 and 90 respectively. Joint efforts of CPCB, DPCC, Haryana State Pollution Control Board, Uttar Pradesh Pollution Control Board and Rajasthan State Pollution Control Board has resulted in identifying more violators of construction and demolition waste related rules and environmental compensation charges of rupees 76 lakh recovered from such violators. Damhedi village in Anuppur district of Madhya Pradesh celebrated Jal Utsav to welcome tap water connection in their households provided through Jal Jeevan Mission. CSIR CMERI unveiled the first ever wastewater treatment technology model by which the treated wastewater could be used for irrigation and farming purposes. CAQM in NCR and adjoining areas is in the process of setting up a decision support system DSS. Top knowledge institutions of the country such as IMD Delhi, IITM Pune, TERI, IIT Delhi, NEERI, CDAC Pune to play pivotal roles. For further details, please subscribe to Enviro Annotations, the first environmental weekly newspaper in India, which is dedicated to environment and allied news. It is published every Wednesday. Thank you for watching. Please do hit the like button and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now.